Hi, hello, welcome everyone to the Excelerator program. I am here to teach you the Excel, and Excel is a very powerful tool used across the countries, across the geographies around the world. So now the functions and the tools and all the things that we are going to learn is going to be used across the various versions of Excel, Excel 10, 13, 16 or 19 or even M365, right? And this is the practice workbook that we will be using to understand the formulas, tools and the concepts beneath them. As a best practice, I would request you to share the completed workbook to me through an email. Email ID is excelify.excel@gmail.com, which we will be having in your inboxes, right? So this is not a course, but it is a workshop. So therefore, I want you to be actively engaged in and fill and complete along with me the workbook using the formulas and the tools you are coming across, right? So post completion of our the course, you can also send the workbook to the email address specified, and after verifying it, we will be sending out a user form to fill in like a test or something. We will be providing you. You have to fill in the answers and you have to score a grade in order to get the certificate of completion. In case if you are not getting the grade, don't worry, you will be provided with a different user form or maybe the same. We don't know. It is based on the randomness of the links that are being generated. So this is the thing you have to do. So just finish the workbook, send to us, and then write the test, and yeah, there you go, you get a certificate of completion. And I hope you are already in the community. This Excel course has a community inside the app itself where you can interact with any other students of the course and also the mentor. So you can ask your query, or you can also post the tips and tricks whatever you come across on the Excel front, right? So don't worry, if any updates are there in the course, I will be posting that in the community as well. Right now, we have the first bonus Excel shots. You can scroll down below. You can have 3 bonuses which are listed there: bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Just go to the document section or the section where you can download the file. There is no video on it, but there will be a document attached to the specified topics, right? So just download it and use it and enjoy it. But again, I'm reiterating the fact again, I want you to practice and practice more of all the formulas, tools and shortcuts you come across to become more of Excel efficient and Excel proficient person. And that's it for this video. So let me give you the brief introduction about the Excel in the next video. Thank you.